Why would people buy sneakers for $500? They collect them.
Right.
Why do people buy shirts? They collect them. Why do people buy bracelets? They like them. People buy everything. Everything can be flipped.
As a new flipper, what product do you think I should?
Everything. At night, you should be laying in bed at night searching like hats. Like, how do you think I figured out Mug Life?
Oh, all right.
I was like, I see a lot of mugs at garage sales. Do mugs sell for anything? Search on eBay mugs, completed items, sold, sort by fucking price. Holy shit, there's $88 mugs, there's $63 mugs, there's $96 mugs. Then go buy a bunch of mugs for $1, come home, look them up, educate. The key to Flip Life is the homework you do at night from 10 to midnight during the week that you fucking then leverage on Saturday when you kill it with your fucking knowledge.
That's friggin' tactical. Like, that's super tactical, but I don't know where even to go. Like, where do I start?
What do you mean? When eBay, completed items, search
okay.
eBay app, search,
clicking.
literally, fucking, I'm gonna show you.
I'm so freaking new at the shoes offer up.
Ready?
I'm so dumb.
eBay, right?
Okay, go.
Okay, now you're going to garage sales. You're like, oh shit, I see a lot of salt and pepper shakers, right? Salt and pepper shakers. You're like, I see a lot of them. Then you go to filter, sold and completed items, sort, highest price, and then you're like, oh shit.
Oh shit.
$441, $600, $1,000. Like, this little bird is $325. You're not buying this little fucking bird at a fucking garage sale if you don't know. It's $350.
Who bought this for $350?
Salt and pepper shaker fucking collectors.
Salt and pepper.
Why would people buy sneakers for $500? They collect them.
Right.
Why do people buy shirts? They collect them. Why do people buy bracelets? They like them. People buy everything. Everything can be flipped.
Gotcha. Got it.
But that's the homework.
That's it.
You go to garage sales, you go to thrift stores, you see a lot of things, you go, by the way, that's what you used to have to do. Now you can just do it at the fucking garage sale. You're like, let me look at it, like in their fucking mouth, in the person's mouth.
Sure.
You're just looking it up in their face.
For sure. Got it. Thanks, Eric.
You got it.